Hi, in this video tutorial I want to show you quickly how to use Footwork to lay out footnotes in two columns against one column. So first, I've got a document here. You need to open any document that has built-in InDesign footnotes. This document has a lot of footnotes and some of them are very long. Next, we'll select one of the text frames that has the footnotes and open the scripts panel, locate the Footwork script, double-click on it to run. And the first thing we want to do is detach the footnotes. So we'll click on the Detach tab, just leave all of these settings as they are initially, and go ahead and click on Detach. What Footwork does is it puts all of the Footwork text into a new text frame that is created here at the bottom of the first page. So you'll see that on the regular pages of the documents, all the footnotes have gone, and they are actually inside this text frame that has been created. If you want to see the text frame is overset, if you want to see the text, you can just open the story editor. I can press Ctrl Y or Command Y on a Mac, and here's all the footnote text, and it's been moved into this frame. Next, we can go ahead and click on the Footwork tab in Footwork. If you've kept the Footwork window open, which you can do while you work in InDesign, you do not need to launch the script again. We'll keep all of these settings pretty much as they are, and just go ahead, select one of the text frames or put your cursor in one of the text frames, and go ahead and click Compose. Progress bar is displayed while Footwork composes the pages, placing the footnotes next to the text as needed. And that's done. Let's have a look at what happened. I'll just close this. So here we go. On the first footnote appears on this page, and you see that we got footnotes in two columns against the text in a single column. And that's the basic way of using Footwork. There are many ways of customizing the script and changing the layout. For instance, the first thing you might want to do is not have just two columns. You may want 3 columns or more in the footnotes. So to do that, just go to the Object Style panel. Footwork, when we clicked on Detach, created an object style called Footnotes. You can edit that object style, and under the general options you'll see the column number is over here, and you can change that to 3 columns if you like. I'm going to leave it at 2, so I'll click on Cancel. One other thing that you may want to know about Footwork is how to renumber footnotes. So we'll launch the script again and click on the Check Greps button and close this now. This opens a window which lists all of the footnote references in the current story. So if I click on one of them, it will actually take me to that footnote reference and so on. So I can easily see and jump to the various footnotes. If there's any problems or any issues, they will appear on the right of this column. For instance, footnote 21 is overset because we told Footwork previously only to set 20 pages. The other great thing you can do from this window is very conveniently renumber your footnotes. Just select any of the footnotes from which you want to start renumbering, say from footnote 7 for some reason, and click on Renumber, and you can start the numbering or whatever number you want, and you can use whichever standard InDesign numbering format you want. Click on Renumber, and you'll see that from footnote 7 here, we've renumbered using Roman numerals, so here's a C and CI and so on. So that's a very quick introduction on how to use some of the features of Footwork. There's obviously a lot more that you can do with it. You can also set run-on footnotes, and you don't even have to use footnote references in the text. So there's a lot to learn about it, but the basic way of setting 2-column footnotes is as we just demonstrated in this video, and it's very easy to use with the new version 1.9.1. So I hope you give it a test run and see how it goes for you. We're very happy to hear your comments and your feedback. Thanks for watching.